Hi, here are the best tips and tricks of your Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 Active. And firstly, there are many cool dials on this device. You can even set your own, just choose any photo from the gallery and it will become your dial. And once downloaded, you'll be all set. And for that, you would need to go in the Mi Fitness app. Here, make sure that the watch is connected to the app. And after that, go in the management displays and select any wallpaper from the list. In the local, you can check all of the installed options. And to set your own photo, you'll need to swipe up like that. Go in the custom, select any type of album, and after that, go in the custom photo, select your gallery, and then set your own photo just by following the instructions that will appear on the screen. Now, also, with this device, you can not only receive calls but also answer them. And for that is before going to Mi Fitness. Now let's go back to its main settings, and here we'll need to go in the notifications and calls, then incoming calls, and make sure that those features are enabled. And also, if you don't want to answer a phone call, you can set quick responses. For that, go in this section. Here you will see 3 default options. You can edit them, for example, reorder like that, or remove some of the options. And also you can add your own quick response. Just type in something and save the changes by pressing the check mark. And now when someone will call you, it will be displayed both on the phone and on the watch. And to make a phone call right from the watch, you would need to open the list of apps first. And here search for this phone app, open it, and now you can make calls from your recent tab, or you can enter the number manually and just tap it to make a phone call. And also, the watch monitors heart rate 24/7, measures blood oxygen and stress levels. Smart notifications are available for high and low heart rates, sleep monitoring, and more. There is also a cool weekly and daily activity counting feature. For that, you'll need to go in the fitness and health, and here is the list of the features. For example, we can go in the heart rate, and here you can check this continuous monitoring, select any option from the list, and here you can set alerts. So also you can check some on-screen instructions how to properly use this feature. And in these stats, you can set your daily goals for calories, steps, and moving. And also you can enable to get achievement reminders, which is pretty cool. Now the next cool feature, which I personally like, is you can control your phone's music right from your watch. And for that, let's just play any song. Let me just tap it like that. And to see it on the watch, we would need to open list of apps by pressing the side button as we did before and find this music app. Now simply open it, and here you would see the song which is on the phone playing right now. So you can adjust the volume just by tapping plus or minus, or by swiping like that. And also you can go to the next song by tapping this icon. You can go to the previous one, you can pause and play. And if you just exit this app, you can find your song if you just swipe right from your watch face. And here is the music tab. And also don't forget that this watch has an 580 and water resistance rating, so you can take a shower with it. And you can also use this watch as a remote control for your phone camera, which is super handy for pics. To check this feature, just open the list of apps, find the camera, launch it, and here as you can see we will need to open camera on the phone. So let's do it. And after that, go in the OK, and now you can set a timer first for 3 or 5 seconds, or just disable it. And to take a photo, you'll need to press the camera shutter button. Also, sometimes when you press this button, it will zoom in or out, and if you have this problem, then don't worry, just go in the camera settings, Let me just flip the display, and here you would need to go in this section, volume button function or something similar. So here from the zoom, if you have zoom enabled, you would need to switch to the shutter option, and now you would be able to take photos with the help of your watch. And lastly, don't forget the automatic workout detection and the raise to wake gesture. And that's it for today. I hope this video was really helpful, and thank you for watching.